Hey there, welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to show cash on delivery only for Oman. For this, I'm using the Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install it from Shopify App Store or the app link is in the description also. After installing the app, you can open the app. So once opening the app, you can see limit COD based on location. Then click on this configure button. You can enable the status. And from here, you can select your cash on delivery payment method. You select your cash on delivery payment method. Then you can see in the location area, you can see restrict based on country and toggle on this and select the condition allow COD for this country and you're selecting that. So we are selecting Oman, right? We are only selecting Oman. You can also have multiple Middle East countries like United Emirates, right? You can select multiple also. That will also works. So now we are not selecting multiple, only selecting Oman. So after selecting Oman, you can save the changes. That's it. Now you made the role active. Now we are going to your development store and we are testing how it's working. So we are adding a product to checkout. Click on buy now. You can see now it's India. Cash on delivery will show, but after filling an address, you can see cash on delivery will be automatically hidden. Right? You can see cash on delivery is not available. And if we select Oman, for example, we are selecting Oman. So you can see cash on delivery is available. I'm filling a test status. So you can see cash on delivery is available for Oman. If we change to any other countries, cash on delivery will not be available. So this is how you can show cash on delivery only for Oman. And if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. I also attached the app link in the description of this video. You can check it there, sir. Thank you.